Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use and redeem an Amazon eGift card, whether you received as a gift or bought it for yourself. It's super easy to add to your Amazon account. Let's get started. First things first, find your Amazon gift card code. If you received an eGift card, it should be in your email or text message. Make sure to keep the code handy because we'll need it in the next step. Next, log in into your Amazon account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account. It's quick and easy. Just follow the instructions in Amazon sign up page. Once you're logged in, go to your account settings. Then tap on gift cards. In the account settings menu, after you've clicked on gift cards, this will take you to a page where you can manage all your gift cards. Now click on redeem a gift card. Here's where you'll enter that code we found in step 1. Carefully type in your gift card code and click to apply to your balance. And just like that, your gift card amount is added to your Amazon account balance. Now for the fun part, shopping. When you find something you want to buy, add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. Your gift card balance will automatically apply to your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed and used your Amazon eGift card. Enjoy your shopping spree. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.